One calculation for inflation is going to be converting dollars from a different year or turning nominal numbers into real numbers. The equation as it's stated below will help us to do that, to level the playing field and turn nominal numbers into real numbers so we can better compare the two numbers. So it's the amount in today's dollars is equal to the amount in year X's dollars times CPI today divided by CPI in year X. For example, we're going to use E.T., which came out in 1982. E.T. made $435 million in 1982, and that number is stated in nominal dollars from 1982. What we're going to do is update that number into real terms and put it in the dollar amount for 2007, which we're going to use as a comparison. So the CPI in 2007, which we're going to use as today, is equal to 140.6. The CPI in 1982 was 70.2. Now we're going to do simple plug and chug math. So we take $435 million times the parentheses, the CPI today, or in 2007, 140.6, divided by the CPI back in 1982, which is 70.2. When we multiply this equation out, what we end up coming up with is the value of that dollar amount in real terms, in 2007 dollars, ends up being approximately $871 million. And we can use this as a comparison to see the other top grossing films of all time in real dollar amounts as opposed to the nominal terms. So E.T. real gross income is $871 million, while its nominal value is $435 million. Making these numbers into real terms can help us compare what is actually the most successful movie of all time in real terms, instead of just saying, well, 100 years from now, in the year 2113, there's going to be a new top 20 list of top grossing films, because maybe in 100 years, movie prices are going to skyrocket to $50 or $100 a ticket. So it's going to take less people to make more revenue in nominal dollars. We convert to real terms. That will give us a level playing field with which to compare two movies that came out in very different time periods with very different levels of inflation or CPI numbers.